Meron pong isang napakagandang kasabihan na ang buhay ay isang popcorn. Bakit? Dahil ang butil ng mais, hindi lilitaw, uusbong, yung nakatagong sarap sa loob kung hindi ito dadaan sa init. Why is life like a popcorn? Because you have to be patient with the heat of life. Its problems, its challenges, its trials, its sadness, its sorrows, its pain. In order for that goodness, that grace in you to pop up, to show up, to appear. Minsan, meron sa atin, kinukumpara ang sarili sa iba. Naiinggit kasi nakikita yung iba, lumitaw na yung swerte nila, yung pagpapala ng Diyos.